Hi everyone, today I want to show you my newest Pothos edition, which is this one. As you can see, this is the Satin Pothos, or also known as the Silver Splash Pothos. So this one is, I would say, one of the most rare Potho species. I just found this one like a month ago in one nursery. The other ones, just like this one, the most common one, the golden pothos. This is the most common. You can basically find it in any store. This one is the neon green, which is also quite rare, but not as rare as this one. This is the marble queen. And the last one, I forget the name already, probably the variegated pothos. So here I have 5 different kinds of pothos. And this is one of my favorite plants, of course, house plants, the indoor, and I put all of them in water culture except one that I'm gonna show you at the end of this video. But yeah, this is the most rare one. It's pretty small. It comes in a 4-inch pot, I believe. They all come in a 4-inch pot, but I put them in water culture. But so far they haven't grown that much. I didn't put any fertilizer or liquid fertilizer, so maybe that's the reason. This is next to the window, and sometimes I open the curtain or blinds, so it does get some indirect sunlight. But it's, you can look at the roots. Some of them are rotting, and I check them once a week to take out the rotten roots and maybe change out the water once in a while. Actually, I need to refill this water over here because, as you can see, the water level is getting low, so I can just add water this way. You want the roots to be covered in water. But again, I sometimes replace the water once a week or once every 2 weeks and cut off all the rotten stuff, including roots and leaves and stems, etc. This one has the very unique look and also texture. This is a very rough texture compared to this one. This one is like just a regular leaf, kind of soft, smooth. Yeah, same for every one of these except this one. This is a very unique or special feel on the leaf itself. It's very rough and not soft, not smooth, and is actually, I would say the name silver is very appropriate because in camera it's hard to see, but in real life it actually looks like silver. It's a very unique color, and it has some kind of reflection. I don't think you can see it here, but yeah, if you can see one in person, definitely check it out and maybe even buy it. This is by far, hands down, the most special pothos I've ever seen in person. I mean, this is also unique, but I thought this is the most unique before I got this, but this is hands down way more special because the texture is very, yeah, it's just very different. This one, even if they classify it as a pothos, but it's a very, very different pothos from compared to others. Even the leaves and the stem, the shapes, they are different. The shape of the leaf itself is different. You know, this one, I don't know. It has a few dead leaves that I have to take away from time to time. But yeah, at the end I will show you another pothos. So there we have it. This one, very unique. Satin Pothos. Get it if you can. Basically almost the same price as the others. Yeah, this is the special one. And now I'm gonna show you my last Pothos that I just got like 2 weeks ago, which is this one. This is the, I believe the regular Pothos. I don't think this is the golden one because it is like green, completely green, not as yellow. But yeah, it has some yellow leaves. But as you can see, this one is crazy long. Um, as you can see here, very very long. Actually, this branch is, I think, is almost 9 feet long. It doesn't look like 9 feet here because, you know, as you can see, I wrap it around this top over here. Is way longer than you can think of, or you can see from here. It just go from here and then it goes around here, here before it goes all the way to here. It's almost 9 feet in length, so it's pretty crazy. This is a more distant shot. I like this one a lot. This is not in watercolor and I don't plan to do it because I don't want to damage this. This is pretty heavy and with a lot. This is not just one branch. Again, this has like 4 or 5 different branches or stems, and the longest one is around 9 feet. The second longest one is around maybe 6 or 7 feet. The shortest one is around like 2 or 3 feet. Yeah, I don't want to disrupt this one. And I'm actually surprised it doesn't do as well in watercolor as I think. So I'm just gonna leave it here. So anyway, thanks for watching and have a nice day.